Welcome to Learning with Fun. Our founder, Jessica Ireland, would like to invite you to attend one of our upcoming online open houses for our Privatized Homeschooling Program. What is Privatized Homeschooling? Privatized homeschooling is when the parents submit the letter of intent to the state, which indicates the student will be homeschooled, and then hires Learning with Fun to provide the customized curriculum and academic teaching on their behalf. Students attend Learning with Fun for a variety of reasons. Many families want their children to be homeschooled, but they do not have the ability to do so because of work, or they just do not have it in them to teach their children. A few other reasons is the student is being bullied at school, or just does not fit in at their current academic environment, or they are not receiving the services they need, or they are feeling anxious with the amount of students in their classroom. And unfortunately, in today's new environment, many students need more personalized support than what the school has been able to provide. Here at Learning with Fun, we are able to give your child the homeschooling experience for you. We provide a safe and fun environment. We use a Montessori approach, provide both indoor and outdoor learning with a lot of movement, and we infuse our formula for academic success, where we combine our exclusive BAINES method, a personalized learning model, and the students' learning styles, so we maximize the opportunity to work through and overcome any learning challenge with our students. At Learning with Fun, we offer 3 programs to meet our families' needs. We offer a self-study and an online program so students can learn at home and is available to any student in the United States. And we offer a program at our house where students come to our learning center in Yarmouth. Parents are an integral part of the success of our program, and we encourage collaborations with you. We welcome you to attend our open house to learn more about the benefits in enrolling your child for one of our 3 programs. Please register on our website so we can send to you the Zoom link. If you prefer to speak to us privately, you may select that option as well on our registration page, and we will get right back to you. We appreciate you watching this video and look forward to seeing you soon.